In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find your Gumroad purchase email in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Your Gumroad purchase email contains your receipt, download links, and access to your purchased products. Usually, this email is sent automatically after completing a purchase successfully. Now, if you want to find your Gumroad purchase email, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into the account you used to make the purchase. Next, go to the library section from your dashboard. After that, look for your purchased products inside the library area. If your purchase appears there, you can access your product directly from your account, even if you cannot find the email receipt. Then, check the inbox of the email address used during checkout. Search for terms like Gumroad, receipt, purchase confirmation, or the product name because the receipt email is usually sent immediately after payment. After that, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder because some email providers may filter Gumroad emails automatically. Now, open the purchase email and click on the View Content or Download button to access your purchased files or products. If you still cannot find the purchase email, confirm that you are checking the correct email account used during payment. Then, contact Gumroad support if needed and provide your payment details so they can help locate your purchase information. Usually, purchase email issues happen because of spam filtering, incorrect email addresses, or login mismatches. Carefully checking your inbox and library normally fixes the issue quickly. That's it. By checking your email inbox and Gumroad library properly, you can find your Gumroad purchase email and access your purchased products successfully.